Let's look at automotive embedded systems design training from the industry point of view offered by IKSC Knowledge Bridge, Pune. This program includes basics of embedded systems, application to automotive, embedded electronics, networking, 5G, CAN, LIN, the programming language C, Python, Microcontroller 8051, ARM7, STM32, System-on-Chip SoC, Arduino, Uno board, Electrobot, 32-bit microcontroller, registers, ARM, IDE and simulation, cloud platforms, AUTOSAR, Trace32, functional safety, ISO 26262, testing, verification, and validation, SDLC, vCycle, System 5 and 5, ASPICE, model and look software, hardware, analysis, simulation, and diagnostics tools, MATLAB and Simulink, Analyser, CANoe, KSAR Studio, Tinkercad, SimulIDE, Platform, Git, JIRA. In addition, it would include industry use cases to help you understand the depth and breadth of this stream and many skills for overall development. To visit www.kbridge.in.